Hello friends, welcome again. Today I'm going to share my experience and unbox the legendary one A4tech wireless mouse G3-200N. So let's just unbox it. You all know that this is one of the greatest wireless mouse in A4tech. Lots of people are giving a good experience. They share their good experience and good review. So let's unbox it. After opening the box, we have a paper, hardcover, and mouse. The wireless mouse, and this mouse is so lighter in weight. This plastic is not quite impressive, but it's good enough, you can see, and its size is not so big and not so small. You feel a good experience when you have in it. And the plastic quality, I have already said that not so heavy or not so light. It's comfortable. And build quality, if I am going to talk about the build quality, it's good. It's like A4tech products. And there we have a receiver, as usual receiver for a wireless device, and this is an XL battery for this mouse. Company claim that this battery or this mouse can give you around 12-month battery backup from one battery. After all, this mouse looks good. I have already said, lighter in weight, and its clicking experience is great. Clicking sound was so crispy. Back panel, front side, everything is good. I just try to open it. Oh, there is no switch off on button. That's really helpful. This is the back panel. There is a receiver case. I told that no switching on off button. That helps and that provides some good experience. So let's use it and see what we get from this device. So stay tuned, stay with us, stay with SS Tech Lab for more update and latest video and some technical information. Goodbye.